Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. This recent news on Justice Nagmohan Das report, which was submitted on internal reservation to Government of Karnataka, has made way open to all the recruitments actually. Because see, actually CRISE recruitment was already financial approval was done, right? But then there was a stay because of this internal reservation thing. Even for Hyderabad, Karnataka recruitments also were announced, right? For GPSTR, HSTR, and PST also it was announced. But then again, because of the internal reservation thing, there was a stay on that also, right? Now, because of this news, that Justice H.N. Nagmohan Das has submitted a 104-page interim report on internal reservation for SC/STs to Government of Karnataka on March 2025. We can say that now there is no much time for recruitments to come. Now we can surely say that we can expect the teacher recruitments very soon, right? See, actually this 104-page report does not include any specific recommendation on recruitment, but it strongly suggests that the job seekers should get a fair treatment, and also it says that there is a need for permanent compensation for the affected groups, right? Now this report also provides empirical data on representation in education and employment. This report actually stressed the importance of permanent solution to this problem of internal reservation, leaving the government to decide the next steps regarding the internal reservation, and it also is impacting on the recruitment policies. But we all know that all the recruitments were stopped because of this internal reservation. Now, because the report is submitted, we can say that the way is open for all the recruitments now. So we would strongly advise all the aspirants to please start preparing. If you have stopped it or if you have not started it, please start preparing right now. And also, if you have not qualified in TET, please write TET this time, because for GPSTR and for CRISE, TET qualification is must. You will not be eligible to write the CET for GPSTR and CRISE if you have not qualified TET. Okay. As of now for HSTR, they have not told anything about TET. You never know. In rare case, by chance, if they say that TET qualifying is necessary for HSTR, at that time what you will do? So I would strongly recommend all the aspirants to please focus on TET this time and make sure that you qualify TET this time, because last time many aspirants were disappointed as the new syllabus was announced in the last moment, just before a month or so of the examination. But now there is no such chance, right? In fact, we believe that they may decrease the syllabus, they may make the syllabus easy this time, but there is no chance of making it more tough, because already new syllabus includes all the PUC science syllabus, right? So we are also making sure that this time for a TET intensive preparation classes, we will include the new syllabus science classes, and also some important maths topics will be included this time, which were not present in the old TET syllabus. Okay. So aspirants who are already enrolled in our TET paid classes, please make sure that you watch all the regular classes and the previous revision classes as soon as possible, because we will start new intensive preparation classes as soon as the notification comes, and those intensive preparation classes will include all the next level maths and more importantly science classes. Okay, so please make sure that you are ready to watch the new classes, and by that time you should be prepared with the entire course which we have given you, which includes the regular classes, revision classes, and even the science question bank. We wanted to tell you about this. See, that science question bank which we have given for TET aspirants is made by us. It is not written by any other author. It is made by us personally, keeping in mind the TET new science syllabus. Okay, based on the PUC science syllabus, the chemistry, biology and physics. So that question bank contains more than 1000 questions along with answers, and if you use that question bank, you can give the correct answers to all the science questions, no matter they ask from new syllabus or old syllabus. Okay, and aspirants who are interested to take up our TET 2025 classes, you will get the details in the comments below this video. You can approach us by writing email atahartetthstrcourses@gmail.com, or you can write a WhatsApp message to this phone number 911-055-8369. Okay, you will get the details related to the Karnataka TET paid classes. It is very easy to enroll actually. You have to just send the fee screenshot to this email ID and you will get the full course to your email ID, which will be your registered email ID. And then you can watch all the classes, you can use all the study material and notes at 24/7 till your exam date. Okay, and once the notification comes, we will be giving you more intensive preparation classes related to mathematics and science, so that things become easy for you all, and we will make sure that you qualify TET this time, at least from maths and science perspective. Okay, and regarding child development pedagogy, we have given study material. There is another question bank for that also, and we are giving some more pedagogy classes related to maths and science also. Okay, so all the other details, if you want, you will get in the comment section below this video. So please make sure that you click the link and you see the PDF file which includes all the list of classes. Okay, see, actually whether you join our paid classes or no, that is a different matter. What is more important is you have to start preparing now. Even if you don't want to join our paid classes, please use the textbooks right from high school till PUC. You can use the Karnataka board textbooks, or you can use the NCERT textbooks. Please make sure that you go through each and every subject like physics, chemistry and biology, and of course mathematics though will need a lot of practice. So you have to start preparing in any way. It is up to you how you want to prepare, because this TET is going to open doors for you for the teacher recruitment exams which are expected very soon now. Okay friends, I really hope that you get my point and you will take your studies seriously now, because if you really want to get this teacher's job, then you have to make yourself strong and you have to make yourself capable in order to win this race. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.